Hey guys, Chris at Cross Jeep, Louisville, Kentucky. Getting a cold start video on our 1985 Chevy Suburban. Got the hood popped right now so we can come around and hear the engine running. True cold start video going down though. We have not started this vehicle in about a week. It's been snow and ice outside. We've kept this indoors in the showroom. So I'm hoping she fires right up first try. We got two keys, one for the doors, one for the ignition, of course. Square key goes in the ignition. And let's see what happens. Fires right up. Starts right up, sounds great. There you have it, y'all. I'll get another video, get a nice detailed walk around video, show any blemishes on the vehicle. There's your cold start. Thanks, y'all.